everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, let me teach you on how to download a video on Telegram. Let's start this tutorial by opening the Telegram app on your device. Tap the settings button on the lower right corner. Scroll down and tap Data and Storage option. Under the Save to Photos section, open the private chats, and in here, turn on the button beside the photos and videos. Next, select the maximum video size that you want. Now it will automatically save all new media from private chats to your Photos app. Next, go back and open the group chats. Simply turn on the button beside the photos and videos and select the maximum video size. Let's move back to chats and open a conversation. If you wish to download a specific video, then simply open it, tap the three dots icon at the top, and in the pop-up menu, select Save to Photos, and from there, it will download the video to your device. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.